Hi scholars, it's Miss Kelsey. I have a challenge for you, not art related this time, but that will come, don't worry. Today we're going to be bird watching. Now I could have done this in my garden, but I thought to myself, Miss Kelsey, not everyone has a garden, so what can they do? So I've been looking out my window. Now obviously I've already seen some birds, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I want you to set this up. Now you don't need anything special, you just need a piece of paper, could be the back of a receipt, could be anything really. Just something to write on and something to write with. I just picked up the first pen I could find. They make things for fish tanks. So, the first bird I saw when I first started looking was a blackbird. Now, I could write one blackbird, but that wouldn't be very aspirational of me, would it? So instead I'm going to do a table. Now obviously I would prefer to use a ruler, however I'm only using one hand because I'm holding my phone with the other hand to record this video, so I'm going to have to be really careful in drawing a line. It's not perfectly straight, but that's okay. At the top of my table, I want to put my categories. Bird type, total. Now, I saw a blackbird, but I didn't just see one. If I want to calculate totals, for example, if I'm still watching blackbirds, what could I use? Could use a tally chart. So I've seen 2 so far, but I'm still watching. I could see more. I also saw, obviously, some pigeons. I have seen a lot of pigeons today. I've also seen a lot of crows. My cat got into a fight with some crows and the crows won because there were 6 of them and only 1 cat, but don't worry, I saved him, scholars. After you've finished your challenge, I'd like you to submit how many birds you've seen in one day. You could do a week if you wanted to, but in one day, how many different kinds of birds can you see? And then afterwards, if you wanted to, you could draw them. You could make a bar chart. It was a really bad bar chart. Yours would be better. But using this data, you can make any kind of presentation, any kind of data, do anything you want with them. Maybe just do this. But your challenge is to see how many birds you can spot out of a window or in your garden, down the park, wherever. If you went down to the local park, you may see some ducks. You may see some geese. I've put the plural there and a singular here. Let's add some S's. You may see some swans. So many different kinds of birds out there to find. And if you don't know what it's called, take a picture or Google it. Google the description and you will find out. So good luck and get bird watching. Have fun. Please.